Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
See, flag hoisting controversy might have been closed, but it is a very shameful act that somebody chose not to allow our defense forces, that to the Navy, to hoist a national flag. You may give umpteen number of excuses, but no excuse is good enough to prevent an organization like the Navy from merely hoisting a flag. It is a shame. It exposes the mindset of these leaders who did that, and it shows how narrow-minded they are. And these are the people who spread venom in society. These are the people who spread poison among the people.
जेन्ना एकूच मिसअंडरस्टँडिंग म्हण जालें हें तें जोरी नेवल ऑफिसरांनी जो नेवल अधिकाऱ्यांनी हेणें येवन तर आयज आमकां लेटर दाखयलोलें फ्रॉम द प्रायम मिनिस्टर दॅट मिसअंडरस्टँडिंग हें जावचें नासलें की सेलिब्रेशन तांकां करूं जाय जाल्यार बरे पद्दतीन सेलिब्रेशन करूं जाय जाल्यार आयज हिंगा केलां न्हू हिंगाच करूं जाय न्हू लोकांच्या भाटान वचून करप हें रॉंग. सो ताका लागून हें मिसअंडरस्टँडिंग आयज आमी काबार केलां. पूण जो एंटी नॅशनल जें म्हणलां तें मातशें एक चुकीचें. हें सीएमान हेजेर पयलें तर स्टडी केलोली केस बरी सामान हें घेयलोली विचारून घेयलोली जाल्यार बरें पडटा.